How about a luxury Buick from the 90s? 1998 Buick Riviera. As you can see, this car in bright white diamond metallic. One of the more popular colors on this car that was made back then. It does have a beige leather interior, just the way it would have came from Buick back in 1998. Now this car, two-owner car. Original owner had this car for close to 20 years. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. And from walking around this car and being around it, I have not noticed anything that stands out that says it's had any sort of paint work done to it either. Let's come up, take a look at this bumper close up. I want you to see for yourself. As you can see, not full of rock chips, dings, nicks, scratches anywhere in that front fascia. If you look hard enough, you might find one little tiny one maybe, like there. But overall, considering the age of this car, incredible shape. You can tell it was stored indoors, adult owned and driven. I don't think it's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Wait till I show you the engine bay, everything else on this. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this one. Don't foresee this one lasting too long. If you haven't taken one of these down the road, you are missing out. Very nice riding, running, driving cars. Of course, underneath the hood, 3800, the bulletproof GM, one of their best engines ever made. That is paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Take a look up and down this thing too. You can see it's not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Again, you might find a little imperfection here or there, or maybe a little spot on the rub strip, but I'm talking minimal. Interior shows just like new. Again, beige leather interior, center console, shifter. On the floor down there, it does have AM, FM, cassette, CD, right in that crossover time when CDs were becoming popular, but cassettes weren't 100% in their way out. As you can see, the dash, not faded, cracked, anything like that. Dual climate control, actually dual electronic climate control in these, steering wheel controls. As you can see, this one also has power moonroof. Very nicely equipped, of course, like so many Buicks were. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, power antenna. We're going to fire this up. I'll turn that radio on. I want to show you the moonroof opens also. We'll pop that open. Kind of give you a little rundown of everything. AC blows cold, of course, power steering, power brakes. Technician that looked at this car in our shop when it went through service checked out very well. And if you'd like to discuss that with your sales associate, feel free to. They would have a form they could look at that was filled out by the technician on this. Riding on the stock wheels that it would have came with. Again, I don't see any modifications of this, any paint work. A couple little spots over here in the rub strip. But again, for the age of this car, just take a look at it. Very nice shape. All right, of course, these were front-wheel drive with traction control. I'll get around nicely. Power seats, both sides. Concert sound 2 stereo system. Of course, here we have the power mirrors, heated seat, power windows, locks, release for trunk and door. Also to have heated seat on the passenger side. Cruise control, Twilight Sentinel. Steering wheel controls. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to slide the seat back a second here. Let's go ahead and start this up once you hear it run. Very plush seats also. Very comfortable car. All right, so here is your exact miles. 25,098. As there you can see, radio does work, came on. I'm going to leave it on, so we'll check out that power antenna, see if that came up. Temperature gauge, fuel gauge, everything working. The only light that is on is the seatbelt light. Other than that, no warning indicators, nothing like that. Stereo system, climate control. And then, of course, you'd have controls for the stereo and the climate control here for temperature. Want to change it up and down. As you can see right over here would be your dual climate control for the passenger also. And let's go ahead and open the power roof. Also in fine working order. All right. Of course, it's one that slides back into the roof line, not above it. Then a little to stop the wind buffering when you have it open. Power antenna came up, works fine. Just what you'd expect, 3,800 to sound like. Again, a little over 25,000 mile, 2-owner car. First owner had it 20 plus years, or around 20 years. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and let's check out how that engine bay looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
First off, look at this headliner, or hood liner, I should say, sorry. I mean, look how clean that is. I mean, there's just no remnants of any sort of road grime, anything that would have got up underneath this hood when it was dirty or grimy out going down the road, salt, say winter, anything like that. And then look at how clean this engine bay is. This car did spend the majority of its life in the southeast too, so it hasn't even been around the northern parts of the state. I should say any of the northern parts of the country. Till recently. So first 20 years in some nice weather area. But yeah. Again, just what you'd expect with something with this kind of miles, just well taken care of. Looking for a beautiful, luxurious Buick. Here it is, 1998 Riviera. It's just supercharged also. Remember that, 3,800 supercharged. Automatic with overdrive, clean Carfax. Does not appear there's been any paint work. Legitimate low mile car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.